Today, I will be sharing an in-depth Canva tutorial for beginners. Canva is a free design tool that has so many amazing features and a variety of tools. With Canva, you can design amazing graphics for your brand. Hello there, my name is Mary. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. In this channel, I create videos about social media content creation, monetization, and business growth. So if you're interested in anything like that, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. After watching this video today, you're going to learn everything you need to know to get started with designing your own graphics on Canva. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, so right now I'm going to share my screen to show you how to get started to design your own graphics on Canva. So I have just shared my screen with you. When you want to create on Canva, the first thing you'll do is to go to canva.com. This is canva.com. The first thing you should do when you go to the website is to sign up. If you haven't signed up before, click on the sign up button and you'll be prompted to sign in with your email, Facebook, Google, Apple. I suggest you sign in with your email. As for me, I have already signed in before, so I will just continue. I will just log into my account. So here I am on my account. Since this is a beginner tutorial, I'm going to be breaking down the different sections in Canva. The first section is the navigation bar, which includes the home, templates, and when you click on the drop down, you're going to see different categories. This is the drop down: social media, personal, business, marketing. And when you click on any of them, you're going to see different categories. Under social media, we have Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel ads, and the rest of them. Now when you click on any one of these, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, you're going to be taken to a page where you can customize and create your design. So let's say I click on Facebook posts. I'll be taken to a page where I can see. So here there are a lot of templates to choose from. There are over 507 templates to choose from. So you can click on any of them that you like and start customizing it to what you want. Is the next thing on the, let's go back to the home page. The next thing on the navigation menu is the features. Here you can access photos, icons, print products, apps, explore, download. Photos, here you can access free photos, background, food, animals, and the rest of them. Print icons, social media, web and SEO, print products. I don't think this is available for all countries. You can actually you can design business cards, postcards, invitations, and print them, but I don't think you can print it directly from every country. I think it's available for some countries, but I actually use this Canva to design business cards and some mugs. Seriously, these are apps. Google Maps, you can add Google Maps to your design. Jiffy, you can create QR code, and the rest of them. Explore, where you can create themes. You can create themes on Canva, and even graphs and charts. Here you can download Canva for your Windows, Mac, or even your phone. You can download Canva on your phone. Under the learn, you can learn so many things about Canva. You can learn getting started with Canva, tutorials on how to find your way around Canva, how to design with Canva, social media marketing, graphic design basics, branding your business. So many things you can get from Canva. So I'm going to go ahead to talk about the left hand menu. You have your projects. You have your projects. This includes what you've already created in Canva. All your designs you already created with Canva. Here you will find the designs you already created with Canva, then shared with you. The design anybody on your team shares with you will appear here. Now trash, here you see what you've already trashed, the things you have deleted in the past. Here is where you will find your designs, images, videos that you have created that you have deleted in the past. And what you should see is create a team. In case you have a team, maybe like a social media manager and you have a team, you have like team members, you can add them on your Canva so that you can share your work with them. You guys can work together. You don't need to buy Canva Pro for each and every one of them. You can use one Canva Pro for the whole team. And then the classwork for your team members. Then another one here is brand kit. In brand kits, this is where you can create a brand kit for your brand. I think this is available for only pro users. It's not available for the free users. And then this content planner. With Canva, you can plan content for your social media. You can plan a whole month, a month, 2 months worth of content and schedule it. And when the day is due, the Canva will post it directly to your social media, maybe your Instagram. Canva will post it directly, so you can actually schedule content with Canva so that you can be more productive in your business. You don't have to start creating content every day because it can cause burnout. So you can actually create a content planner in Canva to post on your social media anytime you want. So here on top, this creates a design. Here you can choose a custom size for your design on the drop down. When you want to create a design, you just click on custom size and choose a custom size. Let's say you want to create a design that is 12 by 12. If you already know the size of what you want to create, you can create a 12 by 12, and then from here you can choose whether you want your design to be in pixel or inches or millimeter and centimeter. So before you select, you might want to select this one first, the inches, before you select the width and the height. So that's it, and then click on create a design. In the search menu above, you can type what you want to create. Let's say you want to create a template or a design for Easter. You can just type Easter here, then click on search, enter, and you're going to see a bunch of different templates, about 16,457 templates for Easter. Now over here at the left, you can choose a category, whether you want it to be an Instagram post or a story, Facebook post, poster, flyer, banner. You can view more to see some other options, so many of them. If you want to create a wall calendar, a YouTube thumbnail, canvas print, this will give you the exact size, and you can click on any template you want and start creating. Now let's go back to the home page. You see another section is this one here. On this section at the center, you can choose a bunch of different things that you want to create: presentations, social media, video, marketing, office. And when you click video, you will see different doc types. We have video, Facebook video. Maybe you want to create an ad, a Facebook ad, a video message, a mobile video, a YouTube video. All these are templates you can use to do all of these things. So let's go ahead to create a design. Let's create a simple Instagram post, a post for our Instagram. Let's just design something simple, a graphics for our Instagram. One way you can do that is by coming here and typing out Instagram post and then clicking any of these pop-ups. I can click this one, I can click this one, and it will take me to a page where I can start designing Instagram posts. Another way is to search in this place for Instagram posts. All right, this Instagram story, this Instagram post. So I can as well click on those places and it will take me to a page where I can start designing Instagram posts. So right here at the left hand menu, you are going to see a bunch of different things. Here are templates. Here you can choose any templates that you want to create. If you like this one, you can choose it and start customizing. All right, if you don't want it, you can scroll down and find different templates to use for your Instagram post. When you see a one that you like, you can click on it when you see a one that you like, I can click on here to add a new page. Then I can use this one, I can use this post and start customizing. I'll start customizing with my business, luxury real estate. I can customize it to my own brand name. And you can change every of those designs. Let's assume you want to create a carousel post. Under templates, just click on just type in carousel in search. Now you're going to see a bunch of different carousels to choose from. I just say my top business tips. You can see there are 7 of them, 7 business tips, 7 different templates under this carousel. So you can click on apply all pages and you're going to see the whole of the 7 pages. Then now you can start customizing it to what you want. You can write your own words. You can edit these ones and write your own words. Right here, this is an image. If you don't like it, you can delete it and add what you want. If you like it, you can add a picture, you can add a photo to this, to the album. Have you seen? You can add a photo to the album. You can change this to what you want. The next thing you're going to see on this menu is elements. Here you will find different elements you want to use. Here are lines, arrow, frame, anything you want to use. Let's say you want a share. If you type out share here and click on search, you're going to see shares you can use and add to your designs. These are things you can add to your design. If you want sparkle, anything you want to add to your design just to spice up your design, you can just type it out here and you can see so many things to add to your designs, right? All right, so another thing you can find here is uploads. Here you will see things that you have uploaded to your Canva account. What you have you can click here to upload a media and choose a file from your computer. You can also record yourself on Canva. You can record your screen. You can record your screen on Canva. So Canva has so many great features and it's free to record your screen on Canva. Another one is photos. Here you can get so many free stock photos to use for your designs. So many photos are free, although some of them with a free account you can't access all of the photos here, so you have to use the pro to access. But even if you don't use the pro, there are so many free photos to use for your designs. So you can choose any one you like. You can still search for photos. You can search for photos. You can search for, let's say if I want a background, let's say a living room background, I can type living room and here you see living rooms to use for your design. Have you seen? It's so beautiful. So anything you want, if you want free stock photos, they are all here. If you don't want to use photos from Canva, you can still go on pexels.com and get free photos to use for your designs. Now the next thing is the text. You can add text to your designs. Let's say I want to add something, I can click on text and then add a heading. I can type out something, branding, anything you want. You can resize it, you can make it bold, you can make it smaller, you can add a subheading, a smaller text. You can add a smaller text. You can also resize it. You can also resize it the way you want. Another one, you can add a little bit of body text. You can add a little bit of body text to your designs. Here also there are a bunch of different text templates you can use. Look at this one. You can use this for your design. Look at this one. You can use so many of them, but these, I think these are pro, but there are some. Okay, this one is a free one. This one is free. So this is a cluttered. This one is a free template, a free text. This one too, I think, is a free text. So you can just start customizing. You can just cancel this one and write anything you want. You can clean and write anything that you want to write. Now the next one we have here is styles. The next thing we have is styles. Let me just start creating something so I can show you how to use the style template. Okay, let's say I want to customize this particular template, and then when you click on styles, let's say I click on horizon, it will change the style of this template. Let's use another one. Have you seen a different style? This also is a different style, so you can play around with all those things. Another one is audio. Here you can get free audio to add to your video, because you know you can also design, you can also edit a simple video with Canva. So you can add audio to your designs, you can add audio to your designs, your templates. You can add audio before you download them. So here are some free audios you can add. This one is free, but I don't think these ones that has this is a pro feature, so you can't use this one if you don't have a pro account. So this one is free. You can just click on it and add an audio to your design. Let me try to play it. Alright, so you can add audio to your design. Maybe you want to use it to run a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad. Another one is video. Here are stock videos you can use for your designs. You can choose this one, then resize it to fill the screen. Alright, so here are stock videos you can use for your designs. Another thing you can find here is background. Here you can find a lot of backgrounds for your images. You can change your image background and use one of these backgrounds as the background of your image. So there are so many different things you can do here. Then the next one here is logos. I'm just showing you what all these things can be used for. These are logos. The next one we have is more. Here you can find charts, folders, bitmoji, character, so many things. QR code, you can create QR codes in Canva. Alright, so under this file here, when you click on it, you're going to see a bunch of different things like create new design, show rulers and guides. When I select show rulers and guides, you're going to see a ruler that will appear. And then the next thing, you can click on show margins. When you click on show margins, it will show a margin where we should concentrate on when we are creating graphics. So you should let all your text and elements fit into this box here, so that it will be very visible whenever you post it to social media. Then the next thing here is print bleed. Show print bleed. Let me deselect those ones. Show print bleed in case you want to print your design. So you make all your designs to fit into the box so that it doesn't get cut off when you print your design. So the next thing here is to save changes. Normally when you are designing on Canva, the changes are being saved automatically, but you might want to make sure that everything, your work is being saved while you are doing the work. Another one is save to folder. If you want to organize your work, you can create a folder to save your various works. Then the next thing here is the resolved comments. In case you type a comment, you can type a comment here, and you want to know if the comment has been replied, you can just check here, tap on the resolved comments, and you can see the comments that has been resolved. Another one is the version history. After creating a design and you want to go back to a previous version of your work, here is how you can access it. All right, if you, let's say you create a design and you really prefer the other one you already deleted, or you understand me, you can go back to a previous version of your work. So here is where you can access that. Now the next thing is to download, make a copy. You can make a copy of your design. Another one is download your design. Another way you can download your design is through the download button at the right hand. You can click here to download your design. Here is download. You can click here to download your design. All right, resize. The next thing here is resize. This is a pro feature. If you want to resize your design to another size, let's say you created a post, you created an Instagram post, like you have finished designing an Instagram post, like this is an Instagram post for instance, you can click on resize to resize it into a Facebook post. Do you understand? I can change the size here. You can change the size, the width and the height and the dimension. You can change it to, let's say I want to resize it to be a Facebook post. You can just click on here, click on copy and resize, and this design will be the size of a Facebook post. Have you seen? This is the Instagram post and this is the Facebook post. So actually you can create just one design for Instagram and use it for Facebook. You know that if you use one design for Instagram and Facebook, it will not appear very well on your Facebook. So with the resize feature, you can resize your design easily to a Facebook post or any other one, maybe for LinkedIn, for any social media you want to resize it for. This is a pro feature. You can only use it with a pro account. Without a pro account, you can't be able to access the resize feature. So right here is the undo button. So if you made a mistake, you want to go back, you can undo, and here is the redo, undo and redo. So the next thing is to rename the title of your post. You can rename the title of your post right here. Maybe the topic of my post is benefits of strawberries. Here is the share option. Right here you can share a link to edit your post, share a link to use as template, and share a link to view. If you have done with your design, you can copy this link. And share with anyone you want to share to view the post or to edit the post. This is mostly used by some people who sell templates, because some people sell Canva templates, like not templates from Canva. You design your own template and you can share it. Like say some people sell things like templates for clothing businesses, templates for real estate business, all those things. So you can actually copy a link to your design and share it with someone that you would like the person to edit your post or to view your post. So basically, if you want your customer, maybe your client, to view your post or to edit your post, you can actually copy the link and share it with your client or your customer to view or to edit the post. Then right here you can download. You can make it a transparent background. I think this is a pro feature. Yeah, you can compress file, you can save download settings, and then click on download and your design will be downloaded. Alright, so that is that on how to get started designing your own graphics on Canva. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give it a like and also subscribe if you haven't done that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.